Namaskar students and welcome back. So today we will discuss the features of statistics. So these features are: statistics must be aggregate of facts. Then next is statistics are affected by multiplicity of factors. Next is statistics are numerically expressed. Then next is the statistics are enumerated or estimated according to a reasonable standard of accuracy. Then they must be collected systematically for a predetermined purpose. And the next one is statistics must be placed in relation to each other. Now let us understand each one of these in detail. Now when we say that statistics must be aggregate of facts, then it means the individual and isolated figures cannot be called statistics. They should form a part of aggregate of facts relating to any particular field of inquiry. Let us take example. Suppose I say that monthly income of Rahul is rupees 20,000. Then this is not a statistical statement. But when I say the monthly incomes of any three individual, for example, say 20,000, 25,000 and rupees 30,000, then this numerical data is statistics, right? So next one is statistics are affected by multiplicity of factors. Actually, there are several factors that affect a phenomena. For example, your attainment in the exams, that is affected by many factors. The number of hours you put, your intelligence, then how you are reading, your pattern, right? Similarly, let us take another example, the production of wheat. This is affected by the quality of soil, seeds, rainfall, temperature. The data related to any phenomena can be called statistics. Now here when we are talking about the production of wheat, all the factors like soil, seeds, rainfall, temperature, these are determining the amount of production of wheat. So this is called statistics. Therefore the numbers associated with these production is statistics. Then next is they must be numerically expressed. Now to call a statement as statistics, it must be expressed numerically. Means the qualitative characteristics, for example, beauty, color of eyes, rich, poor, these are to be expressed in quantitative form. And qualitative characteristics, these cannot be measured directly. Okay, let us take example. Suppose I say I am tall and my friend is short. Then this doesn't make any sense because here I have qualitative, tall, short. But when I say my height is 5 feet 3 inches, my friend's height is 5 feet, then this is a statistical statement. Let us take the next characteristic. Statistics are enumerated or estimated according to a reasonable standard of accuracy. Now statistics, these are enumerated or estimated, but reasonable standard of accuracy must be maintained. The degree of accuracy will depend on the nature and the objective of the study we have taken. Now suppose as a principal of the college, you are interested in understanding the average level of performance of the students who have taken the admission to the BCom class. Now for this purpose, you must have the marks obtained by the students at the class 12th. Now this can be done in two ways. You can have the complete enumeration of marks of all the students and then you can calculate the average, right? Or in other way, you can if you have the complete enumeration is not possible because of any reason, what you can do is you can select a sample. And on the basis of that sample, you can estimate the average level of performance of all the students. And here, the sample must be selected in a proper way. There are certain ways of selecting the sample, right? That you will study later on. The next characteristics we have just mentioned earlier is statistics must be collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose. The data which is collected in a haphazard manner, that doesn't serve any purpose. So what is the purpose of collecting the data? That must be clear in the mind of the researcher or the person who wants to get some information. So the purpose should be specific and well defined, because otherwise what can happen? You can collect too much data or too little data. Then the last one was statistics must be placed in relation to each other. Let us understand its meaning. The numerical facts should be comparable if we want to say that these are the statistics. For instance, suppose I take the example of export and import of any item, any specific item during an year. During a year, then these items, export and production of the item in a specific year is related. Then this is statistics. But if I take different items, suppose production of rice, the number of students in a specific class, number of cars registered, then these figures are facts, all right. But when they are taken together, they cannot be called statistics, because I cannot relate them. I don't find any relation among themselves. So whatever numbers, numerical facts we are taking, they must be comparable. So these are the different characteristics or features of the statistics, and these are aggregate of facts affected by multiplicity of factors, numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to the reasonable standard of accuracy. Statistics must be collected systematically for a predetermined purpose and must be placed in relation to each other.